Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Plains, Midwest, and Ohio Valley, and we got a very quiet week ahead. Very quiet. There's one thing Thursday, Friday we're watching that may try to sneak into parts of the southeastern parts of the Ohio Valley, but honestly, a cold week, but a drier week definitely on the way here. That cold is starting to seep into the upper Midwest here today. And if we look here at the radar, you can see there is just a little bit of light rain or snow shower activity in the western plains, not a huge deal. Tonight, though, that will eject out, and it does look like we could get our first snowfall of the season in parts of Nebraska, parts of northern Kansas. You notice temperatures early tomorrow morning pretty darn close to freezing. So could see a little bit of light accumulation. Not a huge deal, but first of the season. Through the day, temperatures do warm. Might be a few rain or snow showers in parts of the central plains. Temperatures, though, through the day, warming up pretty good. Not anticipating any accumulation or anything. But, like I said, enough to be something to talk about in an otherwise very dry week ahead. So through Monday night, you notice, again, just colder air seeping in through Tuesday. Really no precip for Tuesday. You look at wind. I mean, I'm really starting to get, pretty cute if I'm starting to look at wind, right? There's not much going on here. And you notice the winds are pretty manageable. They're strongest today as that cold front moves through. And then, like I said, we're dry pretty much here through Tuesday. Now, as we get into the middle of the week here, notice how this high pressure is in control. Now, there is a system in the southern plains that will occur, but it does not really get very far north. Now, the European model here tries to get a little rain into southern Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, and Kentucky Thursday and into Friday. Again, that is not exactly favored by any other model. This is the GFS. It's dry through Sunday. Let me pull up the Canadian model. You see the Canadian through Sunday. Also pretty hit or miss. Now, the Canadian is trying to get something going here Saturday up in the north. We'll figure that out as we get a little closer. But for now, it appears that it's a cold week. We'll watch that southeastern situation here Thursday, Friday. But you notice the red lines starting to come back. You see that? That's warmer air, albeit briefly warmer air, but it's warmer air. And as we kind of look here at the temperature risk, you notice today is pretty chilly north and west, still seasonable south and east, but tomorrow everybody's in the 30s and 40s, even some 50s south. And really through the week, that's what we're dealing with. A lot of 40s, a lot of 50s, right through Thursday, right through Friday. But notice by the weekend, we're back in the 50s Saturday, well into the 50s Sunday. We may even try our best Tuesday to sneak closer to 60 south. But, we're getting to that time of the year, November. We don't get that warm, right? So looking at low temperatures, as you can imagine, it's a hard freeze tomorrow morning north of I-80. We really get that cold in here midweek, 20s for a lot of the region. And that continues right through the end of the week. Lows below freezing pretty much everywhere. Into the weekend, though, like I said, by Sunday morning, we're back close to freezing everywhere and then slightly above freezing. It looks like early next week, lows in the 30s. To get a low temperature above freezing in early to mid-November is pretty nice. So enjoy it if you can get it here into early next week. But again, a cold week ahead, a largely dry week ahead. We'll watch the end of the week. If you have questions, let us know, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.